because we are in an econ class. Now, every time we talk about efficiency, we always talk about efficiency from the long run perspective. So if I want to analyze efficiency, it has to be from the long run. So efficiency and pure competition. And every time we analyze efficiency, it will be from the long run perspective. Now, do we know what the long run graph for purely competitive structure looks like?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just did it. Do it again for good measure. Perhaps this is good. Get the demand curve in there. When I want to show the long run of pure competition, how do I know I am in the long run? What happens? It sits right on the demand line. Good. So everything kind of connects in the middle. Yeah? If we go through the motions, profits are maximized here. The price is here. What was the cost again? Same place. Very good. That's the long run. So the price is equal to the cost. If you were a consumer, would you be happy about this? The price you pay for the product is equal to the cost of production. Yes?
Yes.
Who said no? What kind of consumer are you? So you go in, let's say this is pure competition, and you say, how much is that marker? And they say $3. And you say, how much did it cost you to produce the marker? And they say $3. That's good. It's great. Do you notice anything about that particular cost?
Profits. Actual generated profits.
So price is equal to cost. That's a normal profit. But do you notice anything about the positioning of that cost? Where exactly it is? So the price we pay is equal to the cost.
So the price, it's on the demand curve.
Well, the price is equal to the cost. But what about that particular point where I have this little dot? Do you notice anything? What's that?
It's the maximum.
Minimum average cost.
So it's the lowest cost possible. It's not only any regular old cost, it's the cheapest cost possible. So I go in, pure competition, I say, how much is it for this marker? They said $3. I say, how much did it cost you to produce the marker? They say $3. I say, could it cost you any less to produce the marker? They say, absolutely not. That's awesome. The lowest cost possible is the price the consumer pays. And I'm telling you, in a purely competitive structure, that happens. We can see it. This type of efficiency that's achieved, so pure competition achieves. What you're describing to me right now is a type of efficiency called productive efficiency. This is great. As an economist, I'm excited. The price the consumer pays is equal to the minimum cost possible. Wow. Price we pay is equal to the minimum cost. And a purely competitive firm achieves productive efficiency. We're not done. There's something behind door number 2. A purely competitive firm not only achieves what's called productive efficiency, they also achieve something called allocative efficiency. If you want an idea of what this is, it means what is most wanted by society is what is produced. In a very broad sense. Almost like a market equilibrium concept. And this happens because price is actually equal to the marginal cost. purely competitive structure achieve both of these types of efficiency, productive and allocative. No other market structure will achieve efficiency, none. The only one that does it is the purely competitive structure. If you could choose your market structure, would you want a purely competitive structure? From a business perspective, you could choose. You don't want it?
No.
Okay.
As a consumer.
As a consumer, yes, but business, no?
No.
Is there anyone in the lineup that you were attracted to? So we did pure competition, the monopoly, oligopoly, monopolistic. Did one of them catch your eye?
Monopoly?
The monopoly. Interesting. You chose because of the board game? Okay. As an economist, I'm excited about this, but I get it. You're not very excited as business people, and that's okay. In a minute, we're going to do the monopoly, and I'm going to remove that excitement about the monopoly. You're not going to like it. Say that again?
Can't it be still a huge profit?
For the accounting profit? Technically, it could be. So the question that's being asked is, yeah, it's zero economic profits, but could it be the case where the accounting profits could be pretty significant? Chances are, yeah. But in comparison to other market structures, maybe not so much because there's so many sellers that exist, right? But I get your point. It still could be a significant amount of money to the point of maybe say you're a millionaire or something. Probably not. We're done with pure competition.